If you have decided to start day trading and you are confused by looking at all the videos online that talk about a million things, use such difficult terms, you have no idea what to do, this video is just for you because I try to keep it super simple. 3 or 4 very basic indicators anyone can use, and I will show you how to do it. There is not just talking over here. As you can see on the screen, this is the Bitcoin graph on a daily time frame. I will show you how you can use this simple way to analyze stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, whatever you want, and you can try to make money. Okay, first thing is you would like to put some basic indicators over here. Okay, for example, we will start off with, let's say we will start with RSI, and the next one I would like to put is the smooth moving average. Now let me just change the color a bit so it's visible. I will just go here and maybe make a nice color here so you can see what is happening. Same I will do with the smooth moving average. Now what I try to do is that I try to use the 200 period smooth moving average. Why? Because I'm interested in the long term trend. I don't care what is happening today, next hour, next 2-3 hours. I don't care about that. I want the long term trend. That's why. So let's see. Now I have got the long term trend over here, and I've got the RSI over here, the last component, and that's it. Nothing else is needed. This is the last component, support and resistance lines that we will draw now in front of you. That's all you need to analyze and make money. Okay, let's start. So just by putting this, we can see few things. For example, this red line, which is the long term trend, this is an upward trend, and lot of support can be found over here near this 200 period smooth moving average. You can see a lot of support happening. Once it converts into a resistance, it's a big resistance, rejection over here, rejection. Finally we are able to break out in the recent days. Now I will add the component that is missing, which is support and resistance lines. Support lines basically mean where the price goes up or bounces up. For example, this point over here, huge bounce, this point over here, big bounce over here, so something like this. Resistance lines simply where it gets rejected. This point may be big rejection, this point all time high, big rejection, and we went down here. So let's start doing that. Very simple. I will select maybe yellow color. Let's make it a bit broad. So let's start. First of all, this area looks very interesting, huge support over here. So let's put a line over here, and I will just control C copy and then try to paste it. I don't want to draw again and again, and then we will see what is happening. Next level, this level looks very interesting because you can see lot of support in this area. Over here became a support, so this is an interesting area. Let's try to put more. Yeah, we can put this area because rejection over here, rejection, support, rejection. So you can see why I am putting it here. Let's keep doing this. Support, then got rejected, support, rejection, big support here. So yeah, this is what is happening. Let's put another one. Okay, this looks okay. Let's put it over here. So you get the idea basically what I'm trying to do. What I generally try to do is, if the price is over here, I will try to put 2 below the price, 2 above the price, just to keep it very simple. So this is what I've got right now. One last thing I will do is draw another line which will show you the long-term trend also, what is happening. Look at this. Let me change the color so it doesn't get confusing. Green color. If I make this line longer like this and copy to create a channel, sort of a long-term channel of what is happening. Okay, beautifully you can see support, continuous rejection, and again rejection from here in recent times. So as you can see how many things I have put over here. One is the RSI, second is the 200 period smooth moving average, and then third are these lines, and that's it. Nothing else is needing. Once I've done this on the daily time frame, then I will just zoom in a bit to understand what is happening. So lot of interesting things happening over here. You can see got rejected from this level, which is the long-term trend line, and now we are heading downwards. The RSI is going down also. For me, what I try to do is that I look at the 50 level mark. If we are at 57, which means I'm still in a in an upward trend. If it's below 50, means I'm in a downward trend. So basically we are going down at the moment, but you can see what is happening in the long term trend. We are still going up. Probably what it's trying to do is that it's trying to find this 200 period smooth moving average as a support. So probably it will try to go down. As you can see, there's a yellow line over here also. There are two indicators at very near level, so probably it's looking to go down to this level 42 43,000, and then maybe it will go back up. This is sort of what it's trying to do. Or if we try to adjust a bit over here, yeah, if I try to adjust a bit, because when I zoom in I can see this touching here much better over here. So you can see it's trying to test this level, and it's tested this level. Maybe it will try to go back up, but you can see what is happening. Okay, we are going in a channel like this, and this is what we are trying to do at the moment. So this is how you can analyze anything you want. Anything, just three indicators needed: RSI, 200 period smooth moving average, and these support and resistance levels. You don't need anything else at all. Just try to keep it very simple. We went up too much. This was not the time to enter a long trade. Probably a short trade would have been nicer over here. So right now we are at this level, probably better to wait. And what you need to do is that if you're just starting now, is use a demo account first. Whatever strategy you want, use a demo account first. Try that strategy. Do you like it? Do you understand it? Are you able to make money with it or not? This is the best way to start day trading. Otherwise what will happen is that you will enter and you will burn your hands, you will have a lot of money lost, and you will just give up. So don't do that. Start with a demo account. Let's try something else. I don't know, let's try to look at Nasdaq futures. What is happening? We go Nasdaq 100 futures. Let's try to analyze Nasdaq. Same thing, nothing changes. I have got the same indicators. You see RSI is over here, 200 period smooth moving average. Straight away you can see what I was talking about before. It went down, this 200 period moving average, big support, huge support over here, went back up. So you can see just what is happening. Let's try to do it. Okay, I will try to draw some lines. Yellow color, yes please. This was a very interesting level. Okay, let's make a line over here. I will tell you why it is interesting. If I zoom in, then you will see what is happening. You see this big wick, huge wick over here. Let me zoom in more. This was a large red candle like this. It was ending over here before, and now it went back up. So this is big support. This is big support over here, went back up. Okay, so we have got one line over here. Let's try to find more levels. Let's try to find more interesting levels. What is happening? Okay, sort of over somewhere over here looks very interesting. Okay, and one thing to remember is that these are not absolute numbers. These are just ranges. Okay, sometimes you find them crossing below little bit, sometimes going up a little bit, doesn't matter. These are just indicative. Okay, but you can see big support, found big support around this level, then this became a resistance, big resistance. 1 2 3 4 5 days it tried, not able to escape, went back down over here. Okay, let's put another one. Okay, yeah, we can put it over here, it's fine. Let's keep putting more and more. This level definitely is very interesting. Again, same reason. You can see, I will show you over here. The wick tries to go here, not able to escape. Wick tries to go here, not able to escape, and this is why it's getting rejected. So now we are at this level again, and you can see it got rejected again. So it's very simple. We try to keep it very simple, nothing fancy, no difficult words, very simple. Last level, let's put one last level, which is this, near the all-time high. Lot of support here, support and big resistance. So we are, as you can see, we got rejected from here. So the next action would probably be go down here to find support again at the 14,600 level. So this is how you can analyze anything. I've shown you two examples, two extreme examples. One is Bitcoin, one is Nasdaq, and I've tried to keep it very simple. As you can see, this is how you can learn. Try it out on a demo account. Maybe you don't understand it, maybe you understand it. Just check in a demo account if you're able to make money with this or not. If you are able to do, very good. and then you can continue using this strategy. Maybe over time you want to add few more indicators, but for me this is just enough. I don't like to make it super complicated, just try to keep it very simple. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Let me know in the comments what else you want me to analyze, or you want me to tell you about anything in day trading. More than happy to do that. Thank you so much.